everyone. Now we in the runway market. It's first our live stream. Thank you. We just sit here and eat. This place near Soi 6. It's called runway market, runway night market. You can see around. See. I will show to you what I order. Shaira, you check my bag. We order always here. Same in the Terminal 21. The same. Shaira don't like this. She's scared. Every evening we eat here. Shaira said it's good for her. Are you busy? Live stream? Signal is not so good. Later I will walk. After it I will walk near Soi 6 with camera, with live stream. But now first we will eat and little bit talk also. I don't know wide. I will try to change to wide camera. Front ultra wide. This is already front ultra wide. This is wide. This is ultra wide. Maybe like this. Put on the corner. Yes, I hope you can see what we eat. We order. Sorry, I not connect microphone. I hope you can hear us. Cannot see? Data not good? No, I see it's okay connection. Have good connection. I will check my another phone. So many here who do live streamers, so many everywhere. In Walking Street, Pattaya, so many. Also Soi Bukhao. I think every second maybe blogger. So many bloggers. Even now, one guy with camera walk with your friend. I check message. Comment don't have. Okay, if have comment, I will reply. Yesterday we already filming in the Walking Street, Pattaya. We walk in the 6, start from the 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sound remove please, because and many Chinese people go to the pier. And from the pier, from Kolan maybe, from Kolan Island. Maybe we will go to Kolan also with Shaira. Our friend also invite us to go to Kolan. But they won't go to early morning. But early morning it's not easy to Shaira because she sleep long time. If she not good sleep, she bad mood. I don't want if Shaira bad mood. If she bad mood, better not talk with her. I walk through Soi 6, but I'm not filming. I don't want. At first, why I don't want? Because it's so. This is video. Always first copyright music, and also not monetization. That's why if so many girls with clothes, you know, like swimming, they not monetization. This video. I know most of our subscribers want if I walk only in the night life area, like red light district, but for me not interesting. Of course I will, little bit I will show to you, but I don't want always go to this place. This is chicken. I order chicken. I will show you. This is fried chicken. This is steamed chicken and sticky rice. Shaira is called sticky rice or no? How? Maybe fried rice. This price is 70 baht. Same we order in Terminal 21, 45 baht. She said soup is good.
Chicken, liver and
Liver and chicken.
liver, chicken, and gizzard.
In Pattaya, so many people, everywhere so many people. Day and night, so many people. Maybe I will sit change and you can see in the background also people. Wait, I will move. Wait, I will move.
Better that one.
Yes.
Better that.
Where? Yeah, and you also sit.
No, I don't like it.
But I want if our subscribers can see you,
You can see me.
can see how you. If I sit here and you will sit here, okay? Move little bit, okay? Right, right. Because can football can watch also. TV. I put camera here, it's good light. Okay? Wait, first I will move. Guys, I will move only first to another seat. Maybe you can see more view because I don't know what. And you can sit here, Shaira. Sit here or sit here. You sit here.
Better here.
Huh?
You sit here.
Same? Maybe not because in the bed in Chinese tourists sit so many.
In Thailand.
Hi?
Thailand.
For Thailand. Someone message to comment in Thai. I don't know really how to translate. Okay, we will eat first. Just camera like this. Yes, I think it's better. Share, take a look, is better? My backpack not very close. Today we already been in some interesting place and inside Central Festival in the level 6. It's called Shara, what name? We've been today. Cube and space. You just told it to face to camera, not back.
Where
Hi?
are you?
Shara busy with phone. Already my foot is cold.
냄새가 났어.
났어.
Ну не бывает. Вот он.
He said that I hope you are traveling everywhere.
Oh. She translate from the translator from Thai language.
Papunta.
Kapunta?
Instinctive.
Maybe we have also Thai subscribers we don't know. Our channel is very small.
Said good place go and eat yes. Good here and food is good. Would you enjoy that?
Professor. Thai professor. From Koreatown. You're in Koreatown right now. Koreatown, good place for eat, drink hot tea also. Someday we go into Koreatown. I know good, interesting coffee shop. And we filming, always we filming. Just I cannot upload video right now. Already I did 3 video, but I try to upload. I cannot upload because connection is not good.
Where I live in Friendship Plaza.
Friendship Plaza.
하엠 사이즈에 여기.
Yesterday we also visit one shopping mall, Mike's shopping mall, because one my friend recommended. He said just only visit. You can check some clothes, t-shirts, bag. I want to buy backpack about 35 liters. Because my backpack is 26 liters. But I check this backpack like Armani, like brands, expensive brands, luxury. But quality is even t-shirt. Quality, I check quality is not good. and expensive. Better if you want to copy of the brands, luxury brand, better in China. It's 100% is good quality. Shaira, t-shirt, one t-shirt. I remember one of our friends said, how they said, Pampers or not? I want Pampers.
Pampers is for
Yes,
baby.
yes, for baby. No, not tissue. Cannot say tissue.
Napkin.
He said napkin. Guys, it's correct napkin. Because for me napkin is like for woman. Yes? For woman.
It's tissue.
This is tissue. No, because some of people say
Yes,
napkin.
baby napkin.
Maybe napkin also is correct because you know my English is not good. I just know it is tissue. But napkin for me, napkin is for woman. After I eat, I will walk to near Soy 6 with phone, with live stream. Shaira will sit, Shaira. You just sit, I just walk near. Shaira always say, stop video, not filming. What can I do? What? If I am alone, I can go anywhere.
Napkin when eating. Tissue for blood and loose.
Ah.
So this one is skin.
This is napkin, right? Yes?
No. Napkin maybe the what is this one
Oh, napkin and tissue is correct, yes? It's okay. It's okay. Not Pampers. Soup already cold. But taste is good. We already many times and visit this place. This guy already know us. We always sit here at evening. Only first time live stream. I just only now bring my holder for iPhone. And first day Shaira very tired. We walk 15 kilometers. After our flight, 15 kilometers total.
until right now may so big.
Not easy for her. Before travel, Shaira said, I want to good shoes for walk because she know I like more walk. I said, Shaira, it's money for you. You buy what you want. Just not say to me in the future, I cannot walk with these shoes, slippers. I should buy different kind of slip. You buy slippers, many.
Better I take the other violet. But if I use that one, I cannot use it for my dress.
And now she said, if I use dress, I don't have shoes. Because for shorts. Okay, you use shorts.
Maybe don't short that.
Don't have shorts, it's go to Soy 6. Not you. I not talk about you. You say that because I cannot read. Professor.
My last time in Pattaya 1987, USDB in US. Which is Salcari
Okay.
That's why it's so big.
Yes, some people say tissue, some people say napkin. Yes, of course. Different country also, different language. Different English language. Indian people, interesting dialect, you know how is. If Indians speak in English, you already know it's Indian guy. Russian people, sometimes Russian and Germany the same, because we have a friend from Austria, Marcus, and he served in army, United Nations, yes, United Nations army. And sometimes they think he is from Russia. He, maybe Germany dialect a little bit same.
Professor, then he said that Leon don't upset Kyra when she did her complaints, okay?
So many shit. What she want, I always buy. Don't worry. Always. We've been today in the Hilton hotel restaurant. I try to upload video from the Hilton hotel. I register already buy for Shira. Have video, of course. Connection very slow in Hilton. I don't know why. Even in Hilton connection is very slow. I cannot upload video. Also we walk in the soy buhao, soy honey with our friend. I filming. I will upload video, of course, after finish. You can watch already video from the Angeles city because it's scheduled now. Maybe after 5 days I will start upload for public. But even for members I cannot upload right now. Maybe today we will go to Chinatown. In Chinatown I know have good internet with very good speed. CR? I don't know. Drink so many water? Ну, и have CR. Just to pay 10 baht and no problem.
I know you miss the bird. Better convert rather than here.
I don't know about Thai internet. Now I use SIM card with 50 GB. It's 50 gigabyte total. I have another phone every day 1 gigabyte. And Shira have one day 1 gigabyte. But it's not enough for upload video. One video about 10 gigabyte.
They're asking how was the flight,
Our flight is very good.
but little bit have turbulence.
It's not turbulence. It's, turbulence it means if you have seat belt and the airplane go down so fast, 50 meters, for example, and your seat belt hold you, and your body want to go up. This is turbulence, but this is not turbulence.
From the travel conference, the Thailand internet is usually very good. But in our
Just only in our hotel. Our hotel is Easy Planet. Before it's name of Red Planet maybe. Now Easy Planet. Not connection, not good.
so far from all our internet problems here
In Angeles, yeah, in Angeles good. Maybe also in Thailand and also good. But we try already many cafe shops in the Terminal 21 and Central Festival. We try it. Connection, I always check test speed. Connection is not. I also about our flight. Flight time is 3 hours, about 3 hours 20 minutes. After landing, so fast we go already outside through customs and immigration. So fast we already have QR code. Maybe 10 minutes only. After 10 minutes landing, we already outside. And we have time half hour to our to bus because we bought ticket 10 p.m. have ticket to Pattaya, to North Pattaya bus station. We travel time from Bangkok airport to North Pattaya station. It's 1 hour and 30 minutes. So 11:30 we already arrived. I have Bolt application, and after 4 minutes already taxi pick up us. 4 minutes only, very faster. And 1.7 kilometers from North Pattaya bus station to our hotel. It's also so faster. In hotel we also registered. It's easy just to fill form, name, contact number, or email maybe. And we already go to outside because Shaira want to eat something. What's why? Finish? Already been inside? That's why really it's our travel is to Pattaya. It's very easy. About Clark Airport. Who watch already live stream from the lounge? Also it's so faster. We move to airplane, so not need to wait in the like runway in airplane. Hold? Not hold. I don't want hold. I just put near. So phone. I can read. And I see in Pattaya most of tourists it's Russian, Chinese and Indian. Also I see Korean people and most of the people young. If in Angeles City, Balibato, you can see many my age, 50 plus, yes, 50, 60, 70. But in Pattaya, most of tourists at 30, 20, 30, young people, with family also. Everywhere, Russian people with family. Very few Russian I see alone, single tourist. Most of with family. So Pattaya more interesting for tourism. But I think who want to find your friend, single guy. Philippines, I think for me, number one. Yes, it's somewhere not comfortable work, but if you want to find friend, Philippines is better. Yeah, my opinion only. I not talk about walking street, red light district. I just talk about connection between people. Because in the Philippines, easy to communication. Of course, with money you can communication with different people, just pay. But in the Philippines, even not need to pay, just you can communication with good people. Maybe someday I will upload video. I will make video how my travel to Angeles City the second time. Stream with traveler said I enjoy watching you stream on LG TV. Thank you. In our home last day our TV is broken. I switch on. I watching one of YouTube channel, and screen is in the pixels. I don't know what happened. I switch off TV, switch on again after restart. The same. Take picture to ChatGPT. ChatGPT said you need to open the back panel and take picture with motherboard. I open resistors. Everything is okay. But this TV already maybe 8 years. 8 years ago I bought this TV. I think because it's sometimes hot, sometimes humidity. Because I not always use aircon. And I think the problem is I put in garbage already TV. Shira said, no, not on the garbage. My father can fix. I said, how can fix? I check on internet, even in China, motherboard for this TV, price is about 3,000 peso if convert to Chinese money. Also need who can do and delivery also. Or I need to go to China buy motherboard, and we don't know about if I fix motherboard. You already been in CR. That Shira said 10 baht CR. Yeah, it's okay. Even Soi 6 have a bus with CR, play CR. So many YouTubers, everywhere YouTubers. You cannot walk without camera. Everywhere filming. Even now one guy always filming, stream with walking always and show video to everyone. Yes. He walk and show camera to how people live. So I know, I read comments, some comment, even blocked comment. We don't want to go to Angeles because of YouTubers, because of so many YouTubers. Okay, let's go to Pattaya, everywhere YouTubers, everywhere. Not problem for me. Someone take video of me, it's okay, for Shira. It's okay, we allow, no problem. Before, guys, when I only start to walking street in Angeles, I see so many guys filming, even filming me. I see my face in the YouTube channel from one guy. I know this guy, he lives in Guangzhou, and I watch because he just traveled from China. I see my face in walking street, and he talk, you know what he talk? Take a look. So many old American walking in Fields Avenue and finding young girls, and he focused to me. But this time I am 40 years old. I think I'm not so old. I am more skinny. Maybe I will make video and I show how I look. I look like Shira maybe. Where? This is airplane, I will show like. Yeah, I see this guy filming always. This is airplane. This is call it runway market. After it I walk here with camera, it's okay. You can see. It's not problem here. People not shy. It's okay. If you not focus to like long time, what not how not allowed to film it? Huh? How not allowed filming? If you focus to some people long time. But if you walk, you will pass by. What problem? Just a background you can show to Philippines, Thailand, everywhere. If you walk, if you not focus long time to a person, it's okay, it's allowed. It's public street. You're not filming in his home, yes? You're not filming in his, for example, is some private area. Private area. It's just as public. Public, no problem. Every country, Russia also, in Russia, even in Korea. Korea also, you just only check in Korean YouTube. So many videos, but I not watch. Don't have time. Full already? Oh, rice already cold. It's okay. I'm not hungry. With Shaira we need always every 1 hour. How many people with families?
I think I have jet lag.
Right?
Yeah.
And what? You want to sleep? You want to sleep? Rest? You can rest, Shaira. We have 9 days. 9 days. She can rest 9 days in hotel. It's okay.
7 days.
7 days. 7 days. 7 days is okay. Always in hotel is okay. I will walk and take videos. So many guys. I will take videos. So many for you. If Shaira sleep. Soy 6, soy honey, soy buhao. Where? Everywhere. But how I take video? If Shaira told me, not filming, stop. Food good. I can cook, of course, at home. The same. I always cook at home soup. I like soup.
I heard it for this cheaper. Maybe safe.
I don't know about cheaper or not. For example, in Terminal 21, same 45 baht. 45 baht, it's about 90 peso. For 90 peso, you also can eat in the Philippines, even for 60 peso, even for 50 peso. Street foods. You can eat street foods for 60, 80 peso, yes? But if you go to a place like SM food court, minimum it's 150. You will eat for 150 minimum. Yes, it's double price because maybe in SM Clark or any SM is they need to pay rent. I don't know about Terminal 21. All comfortable, can sit with aircon, and price cheaper. I don't know why. Even Thai people go to Terminal 21 for it. I don't know why. Or again, you see, Shaira don't like. This one. Runway top box. You have. How he dirty, guys? I don't know. His clothes. It's so dirty. And he touch. No, I don't want if he touch. Shaira scared. He already many times he walk. Shaira. Shaira afraid. She don't like. For children it's okay. Children like, of course. Oh, children like. Yes, that's good. Russian children. Yeah, good. Yes, hi. Maybe this guy inside also speak Russian. I don't know, I don't have speaker. Take a look. Yeah, for children is good. Yeah. What he say? Children speak Russian. But runway guy want money because money. That's why he walk here. Yeah, money, better give money to children, not in this box. Inside, the guy inside, I see already. Inside guy. Not easy work, hard work for him. Hard work, this guy, walk. Shire afraid. Already okay, Shire, he don't want to you. Eat. Shire said it's big. I don't want, I am afraid it's big. Because he big Shire. But inside small guy inside. I'm scared because what is called? Big? Big and tall, she scared people. Okay. What is this? Liver. No, liver is okay. Maybe I don't have problem with liver later, if I eat liver.
That's why you eat liver, so that you don't have problem with liver.
No, I already checked my liver, little bit fat liver. So because before I test, I've been in Russia because in the Philippines I have insurance. I test in the Philippines. They said, you need to already go to cemetery. I said, okay. You cannot live already. Okay, I go to cemetery, but first I will visit Russia. I go to another doctors. They said, no problem, don't have any problem. To say it, doctors say it. It's joke, of course. No, but they say it in document. Problem. And after this time, I just buy ticket to Russia. In Russia, I have all Russian people have free insurance. You can pay for insurance, and you have also insurance from Russia. Everyone. For example, if you have problem, call 02 in Russia. After 10-15 minutes, ambulance already in your home. If something happen with you, they bring to your hospital free, not need to pay money. It's not in many countries. I think it's don't have. I know many friends who live in even in UK. UK need to long time wait, even before doctor need to wait long time.
My favorite town
What say? Don't go to soy 6? For what? Why I need soy 6? No, if I want a girl, it's soy 6 is good. But I not need. Guys, I already been before in many places, soy 6, different countries. Not interesting for me. I have Shire. Not me.
Thai is very simple.
Our friends say it expensive girls in Pattaya. But I meet with our friend. He said every day I find a new girl and not in the bar. He know how, even Thai. He cannot speak Thai language. Every day he said. Who have money, go to anywhere. You never be alone who have money. Who don't have money, go to Philippines, Angeles. You also never be alone in Angeles, even without money. I don't know. Where? I?
Korean movie.
Korean movie? I don't know. Korean movie. I don't know how zoom. This one. In Korean language. Now English. I don't know what kind of movie. Okay. Need it first, and show to you around. I will walk around. Shaira will wait me here. I just walk around and show to you runway market and little bit walk to Soy 6. I not go to Soy 6, but I.
He said in Russian, Tibet. You can see the Tibet only.
Юра, это Юра. Юра, привет. Мы придем к тебе, когда Валера заселится. I speak на Russian language, guys. Юра, мы придем к тебе, когда Валера заселится к тебе, и мы придем к тебе в гости, если ты не возражаешь. Шайра очень хочет встретиться с тобой и с Валерой тоже, и как бы с друзьями, с нашими, со всеми. YouTube video quality is good. Через день. Хорошо. Юра, спасибо, мы придем к тебе. К сожалению, подарков никаких нету. Что мы взяли, так это шоколад. Наш друг Валерий любит, вы вместе можете покушать. Мы как бы взяли то, что с Филиппин. I said to Yura said after one day, Nicholas come back to Sky Beach condominium and we will visit. We come after one day. No, maybe. No. He said 13 or 14 we will visit. 11, yes. I first time eat cold rice. It's okay for me. Yesterday I just take a look in the market and two Russian women also choose something and talking to each other. And I don't know what kind of. I won't buy soap for clothes. And she choose expensive soap. It's 85 baht. It's for like very good soap, soap for face, for skin. I said it's not for clean clothes. I said this one. I showed to. Oh, thank you very much. You speak Russian? You speak Russian? Very good. I speak Russian. I just not live already 25 years in Russia. So little bit talk. Long time I not speak in Russian language really. Always Chinese, English, Tagalog, parapor, salamat po. I understand Tagalog, but I not talk. Understand, of course, if we speak Tagalog. Already 15 years in the Philippines. Of course, if Shaira speak with your family, usually I understand. Not all, of course, but I understand. No, July I will go to China. I want to show to you Chinese nightlife. I will call to my friend. He own big KTV and he hotel also. Very rich guy. I will ask him. If he allowed to take video him also. He big boss. He have also KTV, salon, so many hotels. I know him already long time ago. He old guy, old already. Everywhere Russian blocking here and talking. I bring water. Singha water. Why I need buy? Yes, if I have so many water in the... I bought water for 46 peso, about 10 liters. About so many bottles. So every day eat so many. Maybe I'm already heavy, 2 kilo maybe more. Shaira play phone everywhere. Play. What kind of game? Not for Bitcoin. You not win Bitcoin. Before she play game and earn tokens, and this token can convert to Bitcoin or Ethereum and stuff. And she say to me, Leon, if you want, you buy. Just need to buy something in this application. I will play. You just invest money. I will play. You can earn money. Okay, I said. If you can. I know it's a scam project. I know scam project, but scam project. It's important for this scam project need to in the top. You can use, but need to stop. Need to know when can stop. And this time she play and I earn how much I earn? $1,000. $1,000 I win. I just earn money from this game. She play game. I invest $100 and earn 1,000. After 5 days, this scam project already closed and many people lost money. But I stop. I know. I take money and stop. На internet so many scam projects. Don't have phone in Shaira. Maybe not good connection. Of course, how I eat and what I talk in broken English. Who интересно? I need finish and walk. Wait, guys. I try to finish it. And I show to you. I walk with camera. I share with me. I don't eat rice. Okay, Shara. I will go. Shara, my backpack. You take a look, okay? I drink first. Because on backpack I take another camera. Night video. Okay. Shaira, my backpack. Okay, guys. Start. walking here. I try to slowly, because night time I know quality maybe not good. Runway barbecue, and this, take a look, this is wait, I change white. This is white camera beta. I don't know what beta. White. Ultra wide is good, okay. Ultra wide is good. Okay. Start here. Okay, later I will first Leo beer, seafoods, tilapia, yes, tilapia, shrimp also, mango sticky rice, coconut 60 baht, in the Philippines 40 peso. Okay, I will show crocodile. Many people take picture crocodile. I never eat crocodile, I don't want. Even they say, okay, you can eat for free, I don't want. Crocodile grill. Spicy grill crocodile salad. Durian. Coconut cream, coconut oil also. So many Chinese here. Runway. Oh, Siberian eagle owl. Siberian, it's from Siberia. Maybe hot poker. Yeah, really hot. Oh, snake. And for snake also hot. Okay, first walk to near Soy 6. I know you guys like Soy 6. I not will go inside, just nearby. Yesterday I bought this good. I like salad. Wait, screen little bit down, little bit dim, and not so many attention to camera. Oh, barbecue. China's everywhere. And this is new restaurant. What is this? How much? Fry pork. This is new restaurant. Chongqing подход. From Chongqing. This is second road. Motorbike taxi here.
왜 이거나? 네? 이거리요 이거리.
Oh, so noisy. So sick, so noisy. Chinese talking. And people filming also. Wait, I will take video. Zoom, how to zoom? Oh, it's okay. Guys, okay. I think you can see. Not long time. If long time, maybe someone girl kill me here. No, of course not. A girl is okay. They not afraid filming. So maybe they like. Or maybe not. Okay. Currency 31.40 US dollar, 36.40 euro. Okay, you can see it already. Traffic right now, second road. Motorbike taxi. What is this new building? What? I don't know what. Also here. I think it's a street with Ladyboy, I don't know. Guys, please comment, I don't know. Maybe Ladyboy street, or maybe not. Okay, это ультравайд. Okay. Yes, it's Pattaya second road. I'm right. Okay, we will walk to Runway Market.
Co?
Rent, what rent? Yeah, many girls. Ultrawide not good. Oh, what's like here place for vloggers. Many bloggers stand here and take video. No, someone go inside also with camera. Take a look. Someone don't want go inside. No, many girls, you know what. You want girl, just visit this place. Not watch video, just only visit. Okay, I will go to Runway Market. Runway Market. What? Tall girl. Maybe she work, or maybe not. I don't know. I will walk another way. It's okay, Shaira can play with phone. She always play with phone. It's okay for her. If she like, she can. It's her hobby, play phone. My hobby take video and edit video. I always like, every day like edit video. Copyright music, little bit move. О. No, thank you. Beretta, have Beretta. No, don't have Beretta. 100 baht?
เด็กจีนมาทะเลป่า
This one.
จีนมาทะเลป่า
If I win, how much? If I win, how much? You give me money, return not.
เลยบัตร
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. I think you not understand. It's okay. I don't know, maybe we will go to this view. I don't know how to say. Yesterday we been Shaira said, okay. But I see price. No, it's not okay. Again, copyright music. Just little bit move. Because YouTube will block this video if copyright music. If I not bring microphone with that cat. That's China's market, everything from China. Like mini Guangzhou. Okay, we can move here. It's good for Shaira maybe. No, it's cotton. I don't have people inside. You see, don't have people. It was expensive. I will show to how much ticket. How much ticket? How much?
4XD 4ครับ
This is 480, 480. Okay, thank you. Children?
2XD
280. Вы скучаете? Maybe share. Okay. If say to Shaira is children. My children, I said, it's okay. It's, what you think? No, he said, maybe not. What is this backside? I think I cannot go this way. I need to come back. Dodge ice cream. What is Dodge? Alcohol Dodge. Indian guys also. I know our subscriber also from India. We like every country, guys. For me and for Shaira, it's not problem nationality. Nationality is okay. Any Russian, Chinese, Filipino, Thai, American or any nationality have good people and have bad people. Not problem. It's not about nationality. I have so many from different nationality, from different countries. Oh, take a look. Oh, it's a fish. It's fish happy right now. This fish is not happy, don't have people. No, I am afraid, I don't know. Maybe they eat my leg. I don't know. So how much is one? 100 baht, no time limit. So unlimited. If I sleep here, it's okay. Also sleep. I can inside put sit inside. He can eat me. No, not now, thank you. Okay. She said, okay, you can sleep inside. Just like in the bathtub. Sit in bathtub. Okay, need to find Shaira. Where? Where Shaira? Oh, one guy already dancing. No, I think maybe beer is good. Oh, someone drink Jack Daniels, not all. And not all it. Maybe already full. Shaira still play. If I come back tomorrow, you can sit here. I need only power bank, yes?
Not finished yet?
No, not finish yet. I finish after maybe, I don't know, 7 days, Shaira. Oh, your friend, Shaira, your friend, wait you. Please. But how he bored here, Shaira, this animal bored here? What is elephant? Blue elephant. What should do it with elephant? Help to him. Not easy to work, really hard work. No, not need to touch Shaira. Shaira afraid. You see guy who inside elephant, she afraid you afraid, not need. She don't like elephant. Sorry. Shaira, elephant already leave. Okay. I don't have already elephant. Elephant smart, yes? Elephant smart and he know. Shaira don't like. Because we regular customers here, visitors. That's why. Maybe inside elephant another person now. If you don't know Shaira. Only skin of elephant now. Scared. I'm not scared. No, if he not broke my camera and not hit me, I'm not scared now. I hope. But he never do it. It's not because it's not walking street. Again, walking street. Forgot walking street. I already don't like walking street in Angeles. I read comment from our channel, and one guy said, I walk near Korean bar and filming around just for memories. He don't have channel. And Korean bar manager say to him, stop video, delete this video. But he not filming him, he's just say me, just to pass by. He said, I don't want to remove, delete video. Okay, you call to police. And later I think he talked with police station. And they said, yeah, no problem, take video. It's public street, no problem. Who don't like in the video, they can hide face. He not go to inside the bar. Who scared? You can say to him, not take video, me, or turn face like I don't want. But not need to be aggressive, yes? Aggressive not need. Why you need aggressive? If you're aggressive, you can not long time live. If you're not, if you always bad mood or to. Oh, Shaira said back to your country. How Korean guys have business? Not all Korean guys bad. Some of Korean guys, even manager in the bar, they good also guys. It's, I not say everyone Korean not good. Also in Russian so many clowns. So, it's not about nationality. She said don't like people who who come to our country, what can I do?
Even if
Better kind with another people. I always smile, even they say, "Oh, you filming?" I smile. I smile, and I say, "Okay, no problem. I just cut video. It's before in Angeles." They say, "I cut video, no problem. Don't worry about this." They say, "Oh, okay, thank you." I really, I'm not, even now I have message from YouTube. Someone complained about 5 days ago video near what name? Tequila Reef, near Tequila Reef. He far. One Korean guy will walk with girls. So far, even face cannot recognize. And he complained on YouTube, time code give or remove or blur face. I said, okay, no problem. Immediately I just open laptop and I cut this part of video. 10 seconds only. No problem for me. Oh, maybe he watch it. What can I do? I walk in the public street. And it's a new life. Some of people thinking, why YouTubers everywhere, YouTubers? Guys, it's new life already, new life. Shaira, come back your country. Me? No, okay. For me, come back to my country, no problem. I'm not scared. I like also Russia. I like China, I like Philippines, I like and also Thailand. Everywhere have good people.
you know why they do that one? Because in their country, they cannot find girls, they cannot do some bars like this. That's why they come to my country to make the boss. They do like, you not do that, this one, they do like, shit. It's not your country. You need to, what is this?
Oh, it's a stable moving China. Okay. Good weather now, yes? Can I try your... I try all, okay?
Little bit.
I want to see reaction of Shaira. Guys, I don't like, it's okay. But if I say, Shaira, what? How are you staring at me? I already understand. I need little bit only. Okay?
Drink more.
It's okay. I have water. It's okay for me, water.
Not water. That's why they take water. It's not good for you.
Maybe most of our subscribers want unsubscribe because content is different content. I know you like before walking street. What can I do? I'm not scared walking street. I just don't want already go inside. Even without camera, I don't want. But I'm not scared. Even some people kill me, I'm not scared, really. I am scared be sick long time. I remember my grandfather. My grandfather, 50 years, work in police, in criminal police, and also he was in the chief of police before. That's why I study, because he said, Leon, you will do the same, you will also police.
So I look directly in my black box.
Shaira change hair, color. Yes. Life hack, Shaira. Have cut. We already have different colors hair. Change every day and not need to change color. That's why my grandfather said you need to. My grandfather 50 years also communist. When he already sick, he have cancer. I talk with him. Leon, so much money I pay for Communist Party in Russia, USSR. I can buy for this money many cars, he said. It's okay, I said, no problem. But his life is good. When I was young, I always with my grandfather, because my father already died this time in France. But I still communication with my relatives. Some of my relatives old, they can speak Russian, but their children already not speak Russian. Or grandchildren, no, they already different. My sister, my now is 52, maybe 52 years old. My sister, from father's side. Because in my mother's side is only my brother Alex died already. What you shock, I already said to you before. My mother have only two, me and Alex. Хорошо, вот, хорошо. Camera maybe our face I don't like to watch. Little bit windy now. Wait, comment Shairam have Shaira comments. I cannot see stars. I think rain soon, maybe rain, or maybe not. Maybe cloudy only. How should know? I don't know. Shaira, how you know rain or not? You watch phone? I check rain map. 50% rain. Maybe you don't have rain. Pattaya is big. 14 views. Of course, it's who want to watch video. Many. Elephant can you? Because I not take my reading. Don't have? Last, what is it? It's about elephant. Good idea. Buy something like elephant clothes and hide inside 360 camera and go to Soy 6. But it's not interesting. What you can watch? You can watch. Girls cannot give tips to, yes? I need pay tips. Elephant need pay tips to girls. I think, guys, so many elephant in the walking street. Soy 6 right now. Real elephant. Maybe not. Already in front don't have Chinese people. I already leave. Now time in the Thailand 8:47. And Shaira, where you want to go? Where you want to go? You want it more? Maybe we will go to beach road now. Yesterday we already walk in beach road. Sometimes I filming, but not same like before. Always hold camera and filming. No, but not problem filming in beach road also. No one, many people filming, many people. Not only me. Everyone, I think, bloggers. Everyone. Here in Pattaya, so many bloggers. When I've been in the Nicholas apartment, in the Soy Buhao, I see one blogger walk, another blogger walk, and talk Chinese, European guy, many bloggers, streamers, many streamers. One streamer have two camera. So Pattaya, if compared to Angeles City, bloggers so many. In Pattaya, so many. In Angeles, some people, if bloggers hide camera maybe, or afraid, I don't know. Go to Walker Street. Finish already? Hi? Where you sit right now? No, if you want, we can walk. Hi? Many children go, like from kindergarten maybe. Already we moved. This is good location. You can watch movie also. Take a look. Korean movie. But I don't like long time sit. Shaira, maybe we walk, huh? I don't like, we'll sit already maybe 1 hour. Huh? Shaira. Okay? You can play phone anywhere. I think in the hotel you can sit. Just walk on beach road. I won't buy manga from the jeepney.
It's jeepney and then we can go to home because you always go say which roads, but we should walk and then go to terminal already.
What you say?
I said, find only, okay? Walk like entire Pattaya already walk.
No, beach road. No.
Only beach
road. Okay guys, maybe I don't want to continue live stream because I know it's not interesting for you only watch our faces. But I have camera, maybe I will film it. Interesting something. Or maybe for you not interesting already. Okay, thank you for watching. And see you maybe, we can continue live stream again. But I don't know, maybe Friday. Because Friday Shaira said have some festival, Indian Thai festival.
13, 14, 15.
Yes. Also Jomtien Beach music festival. We will continue live stream. Please comment under this live stream. Please comment if you like. If you don't like, we can see not so many views and why we need to lose our time. But we will continue filming. Okay, thank you for watching.